everyone, this is Shruti. So in this video, I'll share all the documents you're looking for registration. And finally, here's the video where I'll tell you the steps about how to fill out the form. Then we have two sections for addresses. One is the correspondence address and the second one is the permanent address. Like as soon as you fill the correspondence address, if it's same as your permanent, then an option will come where you can click yes, so that all the details will be copied in the permanent address section as well. Okay, then as I stated for the documents, that's coming in the next session. But before that, class 10th equivalent details and class 12th equivalent details, where you need to select the qualifying exam name like ISC, CBSE. In that case, you have to select according to your boards. Is the result declared or not? That's also they'll ask, because you have to provide your mark sheet in that case. Then from the mark sheet, you need to provide the details of like roll number, their board or institution, whether the institution is rural or urban or anything. Same is for the same is for the 10th and 12th. You have to repeat the same process, and then you have to enter the total marks obtained in both the cases. Now for 10th and 12th separately, you have certain subjects, like since you are appearing for IIT, you must have PCM or PCB combination. So physics, chemistry, maths or biology, like they'll ask to enter the subject, enter marks obtained and enter maximum marks. Like if you have any subject other than those which are mentioned, like it's already mentioned physics, chemistry, maths, biology for example, and if you have any other, so just enter that one. Also they'll ask for the percentage of marks. It's given how to calculate over there, so just see the formula like total marks obtained into 100 by maximum marks. After you have filled out the details for 10th and 12th separately, they'll ask you whether you had mathematics as a subject in class 12th or equivalent, because there's an important rule, like you need to have mathematics. That's mandatory for applying to certain courses like 4 years BS in Economic Sciences and 4-year BTech at IISER Bhopal. Second one is the 4-year BS in Economic and Statistical Sciences at IISER Tirupati. And the third one is 5-year BSMS dual degree in Computation and Data Sciences at IISER Kolkata. And for the rest of the courses, like the normal BSMS courses we are doing, which is available at all IISERs, in that case, of course, you are having either PCM combination or PCB combination or PCMB combination. So that's it. Now about the upload of the documents, I have already talked about that in my previous video. The 5 documents you will need, I have already mentioned about that. Please check my previous video for that. Okay, so then after that, you need to fill out the preference of your state, because accordingly your exam center will be provided to you. And then after that, you have to make a payment, like it's 2000 for general and less than 2000 for other caste people. So keep that payment slip which they will provide, download and print it out, and also take like 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 xerox, because you will need it even during the physical verification process. And keep that, because afterwards when you will try to find, you will not get in the website or anywhere. So just keep it safely. You will need your admit card, and also means this is very important, like we also needed it. So just after that, after the download process, print it out and keep it safely. That's it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments or just text me personally. I'll try to reply you all. All the very best. Just fill out the form within the stipulated time period.